Hi there, CreativeSarah here. Very excited to do your farmhouse-ish palette board. So this is our palette sign. It's 9 by 12 and I'm sanding it to get it all roughed up. Oh, look, it's all clean. I'm gonna go ahead and wax that top. We're waxing the top of the wood to protect both our surface and the transfer. Next, I'm going to grab my transfer, which is our Farmhouse Tile pattern. And it's super cute. You can tell I've used it a bajillion times because I love it so much. And I'm just going to kind of line it up there. And we'll use our good old black, very farmhousey. So I'm going to spread it across the pattern very carefully, doing about 2/3 of this board. And you can tell because it's a palette sign. So there are lines between the boards. I'm going to go ahead and dry this now. If you're brand new and you would like more information, go ahead and comment VIP. I'll get you an invite into my free group. And if you'd love to check this out for yourself, go ahead and comment the word sample, and I'll send you information on how you can get your own sample. Now we're going to add the farmhouse-ish word. It's super cute. It's from our Homestead transfer set. I noticed some of this was a little bit wet, so we need to dry it a little bit more. Make sure everything is nice and dry. And here we go. The word farmhouse-ish. A rustic dwelling. I can't read upside down. I'm trying. We'll see it in a second. It's super cute. Just spreading the black chalk paste across there. Okay, so it says a rustic dwelling minus the farm. Super cute. Okay, and I'm going to rough it up a little, of course. Guys, check out CreativeSarah.com for more information.